What happened here?
What's up, WJ family? We're back again with another video. And in this video, I'm going to be taking care of nice beard and his hair. I'm going to be doing a first ever at-home edition haircut. I'm going to link all the tools that we're going to be using in the description box below. But before we get into it, make sure you smash that like button. Comment if you're going to be doing this with your brother, your sister, your significant other. And subscribe for more content. So, what do you think, Billy? You think I got this?
I'm ready.
Alright, guys. So, like, wish me luck, because I've never done this before. This is going to be my first time.
Vamos. Go, one of those first.
Okay, so what we're going to be using is the wall clipper set. There's some more clippers in there, but we're going to focus on these clippers here. We have the 2, the 1, what is this one? The 3 out of 16. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me focus it. 3 out of 16.
Okay. We also have the 1 out of 8, the 3, and the 4. I'm assuming this is for the beard, like touching up the beard. I think maybe this one too.
This will be used for the hair. This is the wall clipper set. I will be linking all of this in the description box below, so in case you want to check it out. And then we're also going to be using this blade for his beard to line it up.
That's not it.
Snap it on.
It goes like that. Try to snap it.
Oh, it snapped. Okay, so this is open, and this is open, and this closes it. So I'm gonna open it first. I'm gonna start in the back.
I think my hair is lower than that, but okay.
Oh, it is?
Let's find out.
Trying to figure out. Okay, I think you turn it on right here. Alright, y'all, here we go. Wish me luck.
And you're not cutting any hair. My hair is too short.
Oh, okay. So his hair is too short. So I'm turning it off, and I'm gonna get a lower one, number 2. Number 2. Oh, where do you see 1.5?
Right.
Oh, okay. So you gotta look in the middle. Don't pay attention to the stuff on the side. You gotta get the stuff in the middle. I'm gonna go ahead and click it on again. That's how it's looking on the bottom. So I think we should go lower. Snap it on. Make sure it's closed. Okay. And then, like I said, I'm gonna be going towards the center because, you know, I just feel like that's, I don't know, that's what I saw in the video. I'm not gonna
Make sure it's together and not open.
Okay.
Like this, not like that. It's closed like that.
Yeah.
Okay, dale, 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 come on, come on, here, come on, here.
So let's see.
Whoa. So now you're blending it,
Yeah.
getting rid of that line, okay. Ah, looks like I came out of the army.
Oh God, don't say I gave you an army bag.
I'm
Turn
back,
back so they can see.
back home.
Turn more.
Shout out to
Turn
our
more.
soldiers and everybody
Everyone in the military and the
military
armed forces.
serving.
Stanisha, I love you.
field, our medical field.
I know you gotta turn so they can see.
Alright, stop working
guys-
hard.
Okay.
Yeah.
What do you think, honey?
I feel it good. It feels good when you touch it. It feels good when you touch it.
How does it look? You like it?
Haven't seen it yet. What's the next time? We
The next
not-
time is
Okay.
I'm gonna go for the beard. I'm gonna try with the 1.5 first to see how it looks.
Whoa, whoa, what do you mean with 1.5? You're gonna lower my beard.
That's more than 1 point.
Leave the beard as this and just use the blade.
What if I do 2?
Like my beard dark. Just leave the beard. It's
I'm gonna do a little bit.
no.
I'll do the highest.
No.
I'll do the highest.
No.
Let's do this one. 3.
No.
How about 3?
No, is when you go like this at a certain angle, you're gonna mess it up. No, leave it. Just
You
use
gotta
the
put
blade.
your
Use the
you
blade.
gotta put your trust in my hand.
Just use the blade. No, leave my beard. The only hair I got left. What are you trying to do?
Sure.
Yeah, I'm sure. Leave it.
I'm gonna just try a little bit. How about right here?
Over here, just over here. Yeah.
You didn't cut anything.
It's good. That's the point. Leave the beard. Leave the
What
beard.
about right here? Let me do right here.
Okay, go.
So you didn't cut anything.
That's good.
No, let me do.
It's not gonna cut anything. My hair's not 3 inches high in my beard.
Oh please.
No, leave the beard. Seriously, look good. Just leave it. Just go with the blade.
No, I'm gonna do your mustache. I don't like it. It's too high.
So you just tap it a little bit. Leave it. Oh, go. I'm definitely gonna do some better.
Excuse me. Sorry.
Just leave it.
I need to cut it short. Okay, now you want me to just take the blade?
Yeah, use the blade and the gel, shaving. You comfortable?
Billy, I got you. I think this side is good. I also want to go over it.
Look at that side that you did. One side is lower than the other.
So do this one lower?
When I'm like this, you should see this go like that.
Okay.
You see it?
Mm-hmm. This one is lower.
Okay. What happened here?
Looks a little bit lower.
You keep going lower. No, dude, this is not a joke.
I'm not
told
joking.
you.
I just.
Don't touch it if you don't know what you're doing.
Okay. Should I leave it there?
I see the camera angle. It's like, this is like a 90-degree angle. I don't know what you're doing. You're not supposed to go.
What do you guys think? I think I did pretty good for a first timer. Yeah, it's not too bad.
You can do the headline, but that's okay.
Oh,
That's fine. Leave it.
sure.
Yeah.
You're afraid I'm gonna mess you up.
Yeah.
All right, that's the wrap, folks.
Alright.
I tried my best. You know, I think I did pretty good, but you know, there's some areas that he's a little sensitive in, so I'm gonna leave that to him to fix. But I think I did pretty good.
Yeah, it looks even.
What do you guys think? Let us know in the comment section below, and don't forget I'll be linking all the tools that we used down in the description box. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Till next time.